Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explain why your Netflix gifts card code might not be working and how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Check the code carefully. Make sure you are entering the code exactly as shown on the card or in your email. Even a small typo, missing character, or extra space can prevent redemption. Step 2. Verify your account status. Netflix gift cards can only be redeemed on a valid Netflix account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before redeeming the code. Step 3. Confirm the card hasn't already been used. A code that was previously redeemed or shared may no longer be valid. You can check this by trying to redeem it in a different account or contacting Netflix support. Step 4. Check your region. Some Netflix gift cards are region-specific. A card purchased in one country may not work with an account registered in another country. Step 5. Try redeeming on a different device or browser. Sometimes browser or app glitches prevent the code from working. Use another device, clear your browser cache, or try the Netflix app. Step 6. Wait and retry if there's a temporary error. Network or system issues can occasionally cause codes to fail. Waiting a few minutes and attempting redemption again can resolve the problem. Step 7. Contact Netflix support. If the code still doesn't work, reach out to Netflix with your gift card details. Their support team can verify the code and help you redeem it successfully. That's it. Following these steps should help you fix Netflix gift card code issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful step-by-step guides.